equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad 5 and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, carefully remove the back cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your device. If you feel this task is too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. Now, locate the LCD screen assembly. You will find screws securing the screen to the hinges. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from the hinges. Be mindful of any cables connected to the screen. You will need to disconnect these before fully removing the screen. Next, disconnect the video cable by gently pulling it out of its socket. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to ensure you are not missing any screws or clips. Once the cable is disconnected, you can fully remove the screen from the laptop. Now, it's time to install the new screen. Align the new screen with the hinges and reconnect the video cable. Ensure it is securely connected to avoid any display issues later on. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. After connecting the new screen, secure it in place by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Once the screen is firmly attached, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align the cover with the clips and press down gently until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Finally, replace the screws at the back of the laptop to ensure everything is held together tightly. Before powering on your device, take a moment to double-check that all screws are tightened and that there are no loose components inside. Once you've completed these steps, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 5 to test the new screen. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Enjoy your newly repaired laptop. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.